I hope you understand that mass is not weight. Mass is the amount of you that there is, whereas weight is the amount of gravity pulling on your mass. There are even different units for measuring mass and weight. In the metric system, the unit of mass is the gram, while the unit of weight is called the Newton, in honor of Sir Isaac. In the English system, the unit of weight is called the pound, which is abbreviated lb from its Latin name. Not many people know this, but the English system unit of mass is called the slug. So what we have is a situation where scales that are in the metric system are giving us the mass, whereas scales that are in the English system are giving us the weight. How can this be? Since gravity is always pulling down on us, what you basically are measuring is weight. So metric scales are measuring newtons, which consist of the product of grams and gravity. And then inside the scale, they're getting rid of gravity, and therefore they are not going to give you newtons. They're going to be able to give you grams. English scales, on the other hand, are directly measuring pounds, which are made up of slugs and, again, gravity. And I guess English scales are just lazier because that's what they give you. The upshot of all this, and the point of this video, is that for our purposes in chemistry class, we're going to use weight and mass almost interchangeably. How can we do that since they're so different? Well, we can do it because we are going to be studying the changes in matter in this room on this planet. So for our purposes, the gravitational pull is exactly the same everywhere, and we can ignore it. Thankfully, we will mostly be using the metric system, where the scales do, in fact, measure the mass.